Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your voice completely free, no extra app needed and no need for paid and premium tools. I'm talking about CapCut new AI feature that is a game changer in this field. I'm not talking about the old feature that is built in CapCut within cells. But I'm talking about a new feature that is completely different from other tools, and it is a powerful and amazing AI tool. So you can change your voice completely to another voice, like to female voice, male voice, and this is best and helpful for those people who want to hide their voice identification. So before we jump right in, just listen to this after and before sample video.
The greenhouse effect keeps Earth warm. It's like a car heating up in the sun.
The greenhouse effect keeps Earth warm. It's like a car heating up in the sun. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change your voice easily using this AI, an amazing powerful tool that has been launched by CapCut. So I have tested many other tools, but this is a different one. And I am going to show you every step of this procedure in this tutorial. Okay, so step number 1, go to the browser. Open your browser, any browser that you can use, and then write CapCut. So you can use CapCut online as an editor, and also I will recommend their app for best and smooth work. So I have already downloaded a CapCut app, so I'm going to open this amazing tool. Okay, so you need to log in first of all. After a login, once you are logged in, just click on text-to-speech, because here are many other feature and AI tools, but I'm not talking about this tool. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice. So just click on text-to-speech, and now you will see something like this. Okay, so now you can see here two options, text-to-speech and voice generator. So I'm not talking about text-to-speech because it is very easy, and you can see here yourself everything, because you need just to copy and paste the text and then select any voice that you want to generate. So you will have your voice to be generated, but I'm talking about voice changer, and this is what a video about. Okay, so in voice changer you can drag and drop your audio or video file as you can see here. And if you don't have, suppose you don't have any file, video audio file, so you can start recording here by yourself. Okay, so as I have already a file of audio files, I'm going to drag and drop that file. Okay, so this is an MP3 file. So this is our file that has been uploaded. Now you can see a variety of voices that you want to change your voice to. Okay, so you can also check here, because like, feel free to enter your text. Hi there, hi there, hi there. Suppose I'm going to choose this one, David. Okay, so after click on that, you can see preview for just 5 seconds. You can check their preview for just 5 seconds of your original voice. And if you like and you are happy with the result, then just click on generate. So I'm going to show you their preview, that how it looks like. The greenhouse effect keeps Earth warm. It's like a car heating up in the sun. Okay, so it's amazing, and the voice has been completely changed. Okay, so now just click on generate. And now wait just for a few seconds and let the AI do its magic. Okay, so after just a few seconds you will see the best result that no can app generate and no can app provide you. And before that I have used many features, like all feature of CapCut built in, but it was not as good as compared to this new feature, because this is a game changer. And the best part that is it is completely free, and you can generate and change unlimited voices. Okay, so the device is ready now to download. Just click on download button. And even you can adjust more if you need further adjustment. So just click on download button. And now you can see here are two options. You can see you can only download audio file if you want, but if you need caption also as well, you can also download both audio and caption. So it is depends on your requirements and needs. I'm just going to download audio. Okay, so now you will see your file in your PC gallery. Okay, so here your audio file. If you found this video helpful, just give it a like and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more AI tech tools and creative tutorials.